How to find or change your mobile hotspot password on your Android. If you want to connect another device to your hotspot or create a new password for better security, let me show you how to do it step by step. First, open the Settings app on your Android. Now tap Connections. Then select Mobile Hotspot and Tethering. Next, tap Mobile Hotspot. Make sure Mobile Hotspot is turned on. Then tap on Configure. Here, you'll see your network name and password. To view the current password, simply tap the password field. If you'd like to change it, delete the existing password and enter a new one using the keyboard. Your hotspot password must be at least 8 characters long to keep your connection secure. Try using a strong combination of letters, numbers, and symbols. After entering your new password, tap Save in the bottom right corner. Your hotspot will now use the new password, and any previously connected devices will need to reconnect using it. That's it. You've successfully found or changed your mobile hotspot password on your Android. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more Android how-to tutorials.